Hello everybody, this week we are trying to clean this mess in the laziest way possible. This week's video is going to be different, because we will see what's wrong with my Bosch dishwasher. As you can see, the problem I'm facing is that the tap symbol suddenly started to blink, and the appliance didn't want it to turn off anymore. The only way I had to turn it off was to disconnect the dishwasher from the wall plug. The water input pump sounds like it's working, but no water is coming through it. That is a problem, because water pump must have water running through them in order to work properly and not break. As soon as I connect the dishwasher to the power outlet, the LED starts to blink, and no matter what button I press, nothing happens. So I've read the user manual, and the first thing that it said was to check the inlet water supply filter. So I've disconnected it after shutting the water and checked it, but everything was clean. After that, I thought that there was another filter on the back of the washer itself, but I was wrong, because after removing this cover, I found out that everything was connected and not made for inspection. So I came back to the manual and, as it said, I've checked the outgoing water pump. After disassembling the filter, I found out with my surprise a plastic ring, the kind that are on top of plastic bottles. At this point I was really hopeful that it was the problem, so I've cut and removed it. After cleaning everything, I've reassembled the filter, reconnected the power, but the problem was still there. I went back to the manual, and just at this point I realized that the problem that I have is a flashing light, but I was checking the fixed LED tap section. On the same page I found a blinking light error, and it said to disconnect the power and call the customer service. Obviously that wasn't going to happen, so I've turned to the web. After some searching, I found out that other people that had my same problem solved it just by tilting the dishwasher and removing the water trapped into the safety circuit that could be causing that kind of problem. Since I've already removed the appliance from the kitchen, that was worth a try. I've tilted it and some water actually came out. After the water stopped coming out, I've set the dishwasher back to the floor and reconnected the wall plug. With my surprise, everything was quiet. The dishwasher turned on normally just after pressing the on-off button. Being careful not to exhale too early, as I've done in the last week video, I first started a quick rinse with no dishes inside, and after it completing successfully, I filled it with dirty dishes and started a standard program. Everything seemed to be working, so I've seated the appliance back into the kitchen. It's been a few days since I fixed it, and the dishwasher seems to be working reliably. I'm aware that I don't know what caused the error in the first place, but I'm hopeful that somehow the plastic ring that I found in the outlet pump was the culprit. Anyway, that's it for today. I invite you to subscribe and leave a like if you learned something or if this video helped you to fix your dishwasher. I'm Leo and I'll see you next week, but in the meanwhile, remember to keep things alive.